Buying a major home appliance is an important decision and a big purchase. It's important to know before you go. Make sure you visit www.bigboxappliancereviews.com.
Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews. Guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Lauren again. Today we're going to be going over the features and benefits of pedestals. So these are LGs obviously, but just looking at pedestals and what are the pros and cons of them. Honestly, I think probably the biggest con is going to be the cost. Now, if you can find them on a good promotion, sometimes they have buy the washer dryer, buy one pedestal, get the other pedestal free. Here at Appliance Factory, sometimes we do free pedestals. I'd say cost is probably the biggest disadvantage to pedestals if you get them at regular price at like $279 or $300 a piece. But let's move into exactly what the pros are on these. So one pro about having a pedestal is obviously the storage. This is actually a LG Sidekick, but this one is actually a mini washer, but this one's a little bit more expensive, but a lot of times it's just a bin of empty storage. So it's nice for detergents, lint, stuff like that you can throw down there. One benefit that I do like a lot, especially if you have your laundry on the second floor, is pedestals are going to be extra vibration damper. It's going to be like an extra kind of just being stable on having the washer on top of a pedestal just gives it a little bit more dampering of the noise. Next thing is just the easy use. Depending on age, stuff like that, sometimes bending over all the way to the back is kind of a pain without having the pedestal. Having that pedestal right here, I don't even have to really bend over too much. It's all right there. And if you have another pedestal with this at the same height, you can just throw it right in to the next one. So do recommend pedestals, guys. I'd say wait for special promotions when you have pedestals on sale. Like I said, I think the biggest disadvantage is cost. If you have a space for them, I recommend pedestals every time. But thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next week.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.